Hello, I'm Abhishek, and in this video we are going to discuss the set second of reasoning section, which was asked in CAT 2019 slot 2 paper. This was based on rainfall. So I have named it rainfall in the states. So let us start with the set. To compare the rainfall data, Indian Meteorological Department (IMD) calculated the long period average (LP) of rainfall during period June to August for each of the 16 states. The figure given below shows the actual rainfall during this particular period and the percentage deviation from LPA of respective states in 2018. Each state along with its actual rainfall is presented in the figure. So here we are given a data of 16 states. उनमें उस particular year में 2000 June 2019 to August 2019 क्या rainfall रही उनकी value given है in mm and y-axis represent the deviation from LPA in percentage term. Fine. So this was the data given in this set. So what I have done is इस डेटा को यदि हम टेबल की फॉर्म में चेंज कर ले तो क्वेश्चन काफी इजी हो जाएगा. इनफैक्ट दिस इज द मोस्ट इजीएस्ट क्वेश्चन ऑफ कैट 2019 पेपर यू कैन से. हाँ, सो सपोज हम इसको इसमें चेंज कर लेते हैं. इनफैक्ट तो ये बहुत इजी हो जाएगा. फॉर एग्जांपल गोवा. नाउ गोवा की द रेनफॉल इज 2700 mm and the value of LPA is 15% and that too positive. So I have tabulated the data. Rainfall is 2700 with an LPA deviation from LPA is 15%. Fine. Now Meghalaya is 1750. The value is 1750 with a deviation of minus 15%. So we will be using this table from the question that we are going to face now. We are going to use this table only. Fine. The first question. Now first question is, okay, if a heavy monsoon state is defined as a state with actual rainfall from June to August of 900 mm or more, then approximately what percent of heavy monsoon states have a negative deviation from LPAs? Now first of all, what are heavy monsoon states? Heavy monsoon states are those states which are having a rainfall of more than or equal to 900. So let us first categorize heavy monsoon state. So I think from here until Maharashtra, from Goa until Maharashtra, we are having heavy monsoon state. इनका जो rainfall है that is more than 900 mm. Fine. Now out of these 7 states, we need to find the approximate percentages of states that have a negative deviation from LPA. Negative deviation we have here in Meghalaya, in Kerala, and in Arunachal. So out of these 7 states, 3 states have a negative deviation. So in terms of percentage, it is this much. If we calculate this, we will get 42.8. So the correct answer is option C, 42.86. Going to next question. Okay, if a low monsoon state is defined as a state with actual rainfall from June August, which is 750 mm or less, so 750 mm or less, तो हम जब low monsoon state की बात कर रहे हैं, तो we need to calculate from Gujarat till Delhi. All these are low monsoon states. ठीक है, इनका जो value है that is less than 750. Then what is the median deviation? Median deviation from LPA. So first of all, इनका LPA जो है हम उसको नोट कर लेते हैं. इनका LPA यदि हम नोट करें तो LPAs are 25 minus 20. Okay, 25. Sorry, it was plus 20. Then it is minus 10, minus 30, then 10, minus 35, minus 60, 15 and 40. Fine. अब हमें कैलकुलेट क्या करना है? मीडियन. Now to calculate the median, we should first arrange the data either in ascending or descending order. तो हम इसको अरेंज कर लेते हैं. सबसे पहले सबसे छोटी वैल्यू इज minus 60. ठीक है. Then comes minus 35. In fact, this I think the value of Delhi is minus 40. Let me check it once. The value for Delhi is minus 40. So in this table, by mistake, it is given as 40. So please correct this. This is minus 40. Fine. So this value is minus 40. Minus 60, minus 40. ये value भी use कर लिए. Then minus 35. We have used this value as well. Minus 30. Minus 10. सारी negative values we have used. Then plus 10. Then 15. Then 20 and then 25. So we have arranged the data in ascending order. Now median is what? The mid value. So mid value यदि अपन बात करें तो there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 terms are there. So mid value will be fifth term, that is -10. So correct answer is -10%. Moving to third question. The third question is, what is the average rainfall of all the states that have actual rainfall of 600 or less in 2019? 600 or less. So we need to calculate the value of average of these states. This is -40, and have a negative deviation from LPA. So negative deviation from LPA, this is positive deviation. तो इसको काउंट नहीं किया जाएगा, इसको भी नहीं किया जाएगा. This is negative deviation. This and this. So these 5 states have negative deviation. Now, calculating the average of these states, Assam, the value for Assam is 600. That for West Bengal is also 600. For Jharkhand and Manipur, it is 400 each. Jharkhand and Manipur, the value is 400. And for Delhi is also with negative LPA, fine. So for Delhi, the value is 300. So in total, we have 2300 mm of rainfall. And the average, for finding the average, we need to divide it by 5. So this will give us 460. Correct answer is option 3, 460 mm. Fine. Moving to last question of this set. The LP of a state for a year is defined as the average rainfall in the preceding 10 years, considering the period of June and August. For example, LP in 2018 is the average rainfall of this period. So LPA in 2018 basically was rainfall in 2009, rainfall in 2010, and so on till rainfall in 2018 or uska average. So we need to divide it by 10. This is LPA of 2018. And LPA in 2019 is the average of 2010 to 19 for a period of 10 years, including that particular year. It is also observed that the actual rainfall in Gujarat in 2019. Gujarat में जो actual rainfall था in 2019 वो था कितना वैसे? I think that was 600. So 600 is 20% more than the rainfall in 2009. 2009 में जो भी rainfall था उससे 20% ज़्यादा था. So this was equal to 120% of rainfall in 2009. From here, the value of R 2009, that is rainfall in 2009, comes out to be how much? 500 mm. So rainfall in year 2009 was 500. Now, what we need to do is, it is also observed that the actual rainfall in Gujarat in 2000. Okay, we have already used this information. The LP of Gujarat in 2019 is closest to. So what we need to do now is, we need to calculate the LPA in 2019. Now, first of all, this 600 is the value of rainfall in 2019. ठीक है? और ये जो deviation था, that is plus 25%. So we can say that 2018 तक जो LPA रहा होगा, उसका 125% ये 600 होना चाहिए, क्योंकि ये जो deviation हुआ है वो plus 25% का हुआ है. तो इसका 125%, that is 5 by 4. 5 by 4 is equivalent to 125%. Must be equal to the 600. Fine. So LPA की value in 2018 comes out to be 480. And LPA in 2018 was the average value of rainfall during the years 2009 to 2018. So if we calculate the total value for these 10 years, so we need to multiply this by 10. So 4800 mm is the total value of rainfall during last 10 years in Gujarat. Now हमें calculate क्या करना है? We need to calculate this data for 2010 to 2019. So what we need to do is, we need to remove 2009 and we need to add 2019. और आपने देखा है कि 2019 और 2009 और 2019 में there is a difference of 100. There is an increment of 100 in 2019 as compared to 2009. So overall value में भी 100 का increment हो जाएगा if we remove 2009 and include 2019. So this value will become 4900. And this is the value for 10 years. So 4900 divided by 10. So the new LPA will be 490. So the correct answer is option B. So बच्चों ये सेट बहुत ही इजी था कैट में, एंड आई होप ये क्लियर भी होगा आप लोग को. इन केस कोई भी डाउट है आपको तो आप हमसे पूछ सकते हैं. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग द वीडियो.